7 to the 4th. Tell me how you would do this. There's a couple ways you can attack this. 7 to the negative 6 times 7 to the 4th. Stephen, how would you do this one?
Put a 1 over the 7 to the negative 6.
So put a 1 under this?
No, over.
Oh, over it. Okay, and then what would that do?
It would make it a positive.
Okay, so Stephen says he's going to rewrite this one as what? 1 over 7 to the what?
6.
6, and then he's going to times this by 7 to the 4th, and then what was this 7 to the 4th going to be written over?
Over 1.
Over a 1, yeah, and then what is this top going to be?
7 to the 4th.
7 to the 4th, the bottom is going to be?
7 to the 6th.
7 to the 6th, but we ran into another problem. We can subtract, right, well look what happens when you subtract them. And then you do what again? Take the reciprocal of that, which is 1 over what?
7 to the 2nd.
Which is?
1 over...
1 over 49, yep, okay. Now, that's a long problem for something that could be done in 2 steps. Now, I'm so excited you guys had a good plan there. How many steps did we actually do though?
5.
About 4 or 5, right? Let's think about another way we could do this. Again, that is fine to do it that way, okay? Because you guys are thinking, like I said, outside the box a little bit, and I love it, okay? But let's go back to this problem again. 7 to the negative 6 times 7 to the 4th. Couldn't I just use the product of powers here?
Yep.
What is 7 to the negative 6 times 7 to the 4th? What do I do with the exponents if I'm multiplying with the same bases?
You add
You add them, watch. By just adding them, what do I get now?
7 to the negative 2nd.
7 to the negative 2nd. And now what do I do that and rewrite that as?
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal, which was what? 1 over 7. And what does that become?
1 over 49.
149. Do I get the same answer both ways I do it?
Yes.
So does it really make a difference? So you're going to see that there's going to be problems that are going to be open to your interpretation in terms of what way do you want to do it. As long as you understand the properties, and as long as you understand the negative exponent property, the power product, product of powers, quotient of powers, you guys can notice that you can attack a problem in different ways and still come up with the end result being the same. So that's why I like the bit. I love that you guys came at it in different ways, but we got the same answer. Bailey.
Or if they had different bases.
If they had different bases, then you would just simplify it and then just rewrite, take the reciprocal, and then you would have it simplified. Once you simplify their own, like 7 to the 4th or 6 to the 4th. Once you simplify those, you're going to have a fraction, and that's it. You're not going to do anything else. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and try the last property of these 2 sections, which is called the zero product property, or zero exponent property. This is the easiest one of all of them. And then we'll put, like we usually do, we'll combine these together and try to do a couple problems together using both these properties.